Stop deleting your favorite games just to make room for a new update. It is frustrating, but I am going to show you how to fix your PS5 storage limits for good. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are diving straight into 10 advanced solutions to maximize your console space. The PS5 comes with a custom SSD, but between massive 100GB game files and hidden system data, that space disappears fast. Step 1. Move your PS4 games to an external USB drive. You can play PS4 titles directly from an external hard drive, which saves your ultra-fast internal SSD for actual PS5 games. Step 2. Install an M.2 SSD expansion. This is the ultimate fix. Pop off the console cover and slide in a compatible drive to instantly add up to 8 TB of high-speed storage. Step 3. Disable automatic trophy screenshots and videos. Every time you win a trophy, your PS5 saves a video clip. Go to your capture settings and turn this off to save gigabytes of stealthy data. Step 4. Manage your game content. Many games allow you to uninstall specific parts, like a single-player campaign or a language pack you do not use, while keeping the multiplayer installed. Step 5. Clear your system cache. Completely power down your PS5 and boot into safe mode. By holding the power button until you hear a second beep, select Clear Cache to wipe away temporary junk files. Step 6. Use the cloud for save data. If you have PlayStation Plus, make sure your saves are synced to the cloud, and remove older files from the local drive that you are not currently playing. Step 7. Offload your media gallery. We all record 4K clips, but they eat space. Move your captures to a USB drive or upload them to the PlayStation app and delete them from the console. Step 8. Delete the other storage category. This is usually caused by pending updates or incomplete installs. Rebuild your database in safe mode to shrink this mysterious folder down. Step 9. Turn off automatic updates for games you rarely play. This prevents the console from downloading huge patches for a game you have not touched in 6 months. Step 10. Check for hidden game trials. Sometimes a demo or a beta file stays on your drive even after you buy the full game. Check your library and purge any duplicates. Here is a bonus pro tip. Always keep at least 20 gigabytes of free space. Your PS5 uses this as breathing room for system tasks, which keeps your UI snappy and prevents crashes. If you are still having trouble with your storage, drop a comment below. I will be monitoring the chat and I promise to reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this video helped you save some space, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more straight-to-the-point tech guides. You have got this handled, and I will see you in the next one.